Which country recently launched the Michibiki 6 navigation satellite? Options are China, Japan, Australia, India. The right answer is option B, Japan. Indravati River, which was seen in news, is located in which state? Options are Tamil Nadu, Gujarat, Maharashtra, Kerala. The right answer is option C, Maharashtra. Kaval Tiger Reserve is located in which state? Options are Odisha, Madhya Pradesh, Jharkhand, Telangana. Answer is option D, Telangana. Next question. Who gave the slogan Back to the Vedas? Options are Dayananda Saraswati, Swami Vivekananda, Bal Gangadhar Tilak, Jawaharlal Nehru. Right answer is option A, Dayananda Saraswati. Next question. Who is the father of Indian Constitution? Options are Sardar Patel, B.R. Ambedkar, Jawaharlal Nehru, Mahatma Gandhi. The right answer is option B, B.R. Ambedkar.